everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to clear all the conversations on your Snapchat. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to clear all of your Snapchat conversations, go tap open your Snapchat application. Now, if you are not logged into Snapchat, first log in and then from your camera screen, tap on your profile picture at the upper left corner. Doing this will open your profile page. Now, tap on the settings button at the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down from this page and under privacy, you'll be able to see clear conversation option. Tap on clear conversation and tap on the X mark to the right of the contact's name in order to clear your conversation. Now, from the pop-up, select clear. Just like that, you can repeat the process and clear out all the conversations on your Snapchat. Remember that clearing your conversation history will also reset any streaks or your best friends on Snapchat. That is how you can easily clear out all the conversations on Snapchat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.